Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Thermador brand dishwasher and you need to do a reset on it because it's acting funny. Maybe it's got some error codes you can't get rid of or something like that. So we're going to go through kind of a two-step process. The first step is just, maybe it's running a cycle and it's having issues or something like that, or it's stopped in the middle of a cycle. Well, if you press and hold the start button for 5 seconds, press and hold it for a full 5 seconds, that will force it into kind of a reset cycle where it drains everything out and cancels whatever it's doing. Then you should be able to turn it off, turn it back on, and try to do a cycle again. If you want to do a true hard reset where it forgets everything, the only way to do that on here is to turn it off and then disconnect it from power. So either unplug it from the wall, or if you can't access the plug, you can just turn it off at the circuit and leave it disconnected from power for at least a minute. And any longer you can do, the longer the better, will help it forget things. So anyways, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.